Hey everybody, Dr. Brad, Richmond, Dominion Chiropractic Clinic, and today we're going to be adjusting a spine. We want to walk you guys through an adjustment here at Dominion Chiropractic Clinic. We're going to be adjusting all of this on her. So at Dominion Chiropractic Clinic, we utilize about 10 to 12 different adjusting styles and or manual therapies. For her, we're going to use about 3 to 4 different techniques, which is what we generally use. We start out down here at the feet. And what we do is we're feeling for symmetry, muscle symmetry, and imbalances. And so we're going to start with her right side, if you would, facing over here. Good. For this particular adjustment, we're going to be adjusting her right sacroiliac joint. All right, you ready? Do me a favor, deep breath in and out. Good. Other side, please. So we are having her roll over. We're going to target the lumbar spine on this adjustment. Same thing, deep breath in and out. Excellent. If you would, on your belly, please. From here, we work our way up to the thoracic spine. And so from here, we're going to adjust her thoracic spine, i.e. her mid-back. All right, Layla, if you would, deep breath in, exhale. Good. Slightly lift your head up. Perfect. And we're feeling around for those spots in the spine that are tender, they're not moving, and we're making sure that they move. Deep breath in and out. Good. One last adjustment right here. And turn your head to the right. Perfect. Thank you. All right, once we're done with that, we have a rollover on her back for her cervical spine adjustment. If you would, roll on over. We're going to utilize 2 different techniques on her neck. Right there. All right. For here, we just do a little rotation and just a gentle little push. Deep breath in and out. Excellent. Perfect. If you would, come on up, swing your legs up to the right. Next, we're going to utilize our impulse adjuster. This is an instrument-assisted tool. We utilize this a lot of times for people who are a little nervous about the neck adjustment and or osteoporotic, osteopenic females, or even someone who's just recently suffered a whiplash. We got to be real gentle in the area, so we use this. If you would scoot to your right. Perfect. Right here on the right side. Good. Turn your head to the left. Perfect. Turn your head back. Great. Much better. And that is an adjustment here at Dominion Chiropractic Clinic. You can call us if you have any questions.